Hello everyone, welcome to Math Circle. So today I want to show you how to solve this problem. This is a problem from NCERT chapter Surface Areas and Volumes. Let's read it out. A vessel is in a form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. So we are given with hollow hemisphere which is mounted by hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. The question arises, what is the inner surface area of the vessel? So first of all, we observe carefully that what we are given with. First of all, we are given with the diameter of the vessel, which is 14 centimeter, and height of the vessel, which is 13 centimeter. Now, as the diameter is 14 centimeter, we simply can find the radius, which is diameter over 2, which we get as 14 by 2, 7 centimeter. Now, if we observe carefully, this is also radius and this is also radius. So, the height of this hemisphere is 7 centimeter. Now we have this complete height of the vessel as 13 centimeter and the height of the hemisphere is 7 centimeter. We can simply find height of the cylinder as 13 minus 7, which will be 6 centimeter. So now we get height of the cylinder as 6 centimeter and radius of cylinder and radius of hemisphere are same, which is 7 centimeter. Now what we can simply guess is inner surface area of the vessel. To find the inner surface area, what we have to take is lateral surface area of the cylinder. Why? Because it is given that it is hollow. Both the shapes are hollow, so only it is made the vessel is made up of only the walls of this cylinder and the walls of this hemisphere. This simply implies that we have to take lateral surface area of the cylinder and lateral surface area of hemisphere. This comes intuitively with practice. As much as you do the practice in mathematics, you find it easy that what we have to take either lateral surface area or total surface area. And if you need to find what are the formulas of these lateral surface area, you can go to you can click on this I button and find our videos on formulas of this chapter, which is summarized for you. Now we know that lateral surface area of the cylinder is simply 2 pi RH. Because we are using the dimensions of cylinder, we put it RC and HC. And lateral surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi R square, and we are using dimensions of hemisphere, so we put RH. We substitute the values of these. So 2 multiplied by value of pi becomes 22 by 7. RC is 7 centimeter and HC is 6, plus 2 multiplied by 22, the value of pi, multiplied by 7 and taking square of this 7. Simply we can cancel out numerator and denominator and we get 2 into 22 into 6 plus 2 into 22 into 7. Here we get 44 multiplied by 6 plus 44 multiplied by 7. Multiplying it, we can get 6 fours are 24, 2 in my mind, 6 fours are 24 and 2, 26, plus 7 fours are 28, 2 in my mind again, 7 fours are 28 and 2, 30. The complete value will be 572. As this is an area, unit becomes centimeter square. And this is the final answer of the question. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more of such problems, you can subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share. Have a nice day.